Wayne.
Hi, how's it?
Good, and you?
All right, thanks.
Good. Wayne, tell us more about your brand or your products.
So basically, Ace Customs as a group is a custom car and race car building company. We've been around for many years, but specifically here this year we're exhibiting as our racing and motorsport division, but we're also launching our retail division, which will be selling parts and products, race gear, race tires, all that type of thing. So we're trying to be the one-stop custom car, race car shop that caters for everyone across the board.
And all their needs,
Yeah.
correct? Yeah. And how is your experience so far at Festival of Motoring?
Last year was our first Festival of Motoring, absolutely awesome. Obviously you can see we like to go big, but it was a great show last year. We had lots of engagement, lots of feet through the stand, so very good. This year again, even today is Friday and we've already had a lot of inquiries, a lot of feet through the stand, and I'm sure tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday it's going to be pumping.
Usually Fridays are very quiet. I'm very surprised that it's so busy today. And why do you believe that exhibiting at Festival of Motoring and the experience is beneficial to your brand?
I think obviously it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, motoring expo or festival in the country.
Yeah.
But it caters to everyone's needs. So whether you're looking for an OEM or custom or whatever, you know, you can come here and get a bit of everything, see everything. You know, someone might come here to look at a new car, but maybe he's got a track car, a race car, a custom car at home. He comes upstairs, we here. Maybe he wants to do a window tint. There's window tinting guys. So caters for everyone's needs and everyone's interests. And I think it's an awesome show.
Yeah. And where can we find or purchase your products?
So we are based in Edenvale. Our retail store will be opening on the 4th, but obviously our custom car shop's been open for many years. We're based at 73 Terrace Road on Edenvale, and that's where we build the custom cars. We actually have a motorsport branch in Limpopo, but that's sort of we only build there. Our front-facing, client-facing business is in Edenvale.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much,
Cool.
Wayne. Cool.
Pleasure. Thanks for the interview. Thanks.
And thank you, viewers, for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing our content. Until next time, bye-bye.